Welcome back, everyone. We just want to give you an opportunity today to see what Pete and Kevin have been up to lately. You guys might remember last year, Pete and Kevin were designing a new cylinder head. It started with some 3D printed models and later went and was flow tested and performed really well with some really great numbers. Well, we're just going to let the cameras roll today so you guys can see what's going on in the shop and hear some of the conversations. No fancy edits, just genuine machine work and horsepower in the making. So we hope you enjoy.
New idea. I'm trying to figure out how to make a can easier. These go on here, right?
Okay.
And what we did, we drilled that hole off center to save some material. Then we ordered some 1-inch material, 1.25 inch material.
Oh, like a bar stock? You're just gonna put it inside?
They go like this, right?
That's so
and
cool.
Then we'll weld it here and the can.
Okay. So are you gonna make 8 more of these individual heads?
We're gonna make 4 of these, or 8 of these.
8.
But we're making them in doubles. We're making them like this. That's the material here for them.
That's, oh, okay.
2 of these will make 1 head.
Jeez. That's some beautiful material there.
So it's going to be like this. Yeah, it's $1,000 material. Anyway, this will be the 2 end cylinders.
Okay.
The middle, the 1 and 2, or 3 and 4.
Wow.
And then the cams, there'll be 4 cams, right? A cam on each.
Okay.
2 cams on each head.
So
And
you're just
rather-
roughing them in right now, and then you'll have them turn?
Well, we're gonna make 4 cams, right?
Yeah.
When we make a cam like this, we throw all this material in the trash.
Yeah.
$5 a pound, and we're throwing more than half of it away. So our idea was to make these, right? This would be 1 pair of lobes
Yeah.
for 2 valves. And we ordered a shaft. We ordered the same material shaft, 8620.
Okay.
We push this on there and weld it. Weld it in a couple spots.
Okay. Oh, that's great,
And that'll
Pete.
be our because these, this,
And this is gonna go on a big block, right?
yeah, this is made for a big block.
What's the displacement gonna be? Do you know? Or?
434 to get in that B class at Bonneville.
So 434 cubic inches.
Yeah, that's the next class up.
And
One
will you be
liter.
using like a standard production bottom end block, or are you gonna
I'm
make
gonna
a
order a
block?
short deck dock.
A short deck. Okay.
It's 9-inch deck, so we'll have a short rod, short stroke. Be like 4, or be 3.5
Okay.
by 4.25 to make up about 420. It's 427, 434.
Okay.
434 is the limit.
So on that material over there, can you tell me a little bit about that? Is that a certain grade of aluminum or
It's 6061.
6061? I see it's 55 pounds per block.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, we're going to get rid of half of it, right?
Yeah.
We're going to
So
make this
out of that.
out of that.
Wow. I see.
And
So
then
when it's done.
we'll weld the end on, and we'll weld 2 of these together. Let's check another program.
And then what I'll do is I'll take all these programs and put them together, and then we'll run it on the Haas. This is a good machine for testing out programs. because what happens if you have a gap here, it'll shrink and it'll cause it to warp more. So as long as this has something to butt up against, I mean, we'll V this, so there's only like an 1/8 inch or so here around the edges, and then it'll be all welded other than that 1/8 inch.
So that's it. That's how it's taking shape.
So what part is this called down, or what is
Roughed it all with a 3/4 ball. This is more of the finish of the inside. This is the water jacket area. It doesn't probably need to be this fine, but
So you milled one out of foam. Is this the first run of the full aluminum?
well, this is
The double head?
These are the aluminum. It's pulling on it. Yeah, these are the cuts in the aluminum, and this is all, the second operation that I'm doing now. The first thing I did is drill the holes here for the water to get through,
Okay.
and then this is the first roughing operation, and then then we'll bead these out and we'll weld them together.
That's so cool. Can I flip it down?
Yeah.
There you go. Kind of an interesting.
So now when that one there is done, this side will look the same mirror.
It'll be symmetrical.
Yeah. And then when I stand them up, I cut out all this stuff so that I get you can get in here and shape around the spring pads and
And then you'll
stuff like
drill it for the guides.
that. Yeah, but I'll probably do that after I put the the top plate on. We left them oversized because I didn't know how much they'd distort, so I'm just kind of repositioning where they need to go by thinning them out.
The things are hot.
Really?
Yeah, we get
Good thing.
Yeah, so that is
We got the little
Here's an odd occurrence. The electric vehicle guys stopped by Pete Aardema's shop. You have Matt, Greg, and Eddie with Team Revolt. They are known for having the fastest electric vehicle on the planet. They officially set the record in 2021, clocked a speed of 353 miles per hour. So even the electric guys get a kick out of this little hot rod
waste that
stuff.
much material.
Yeah.
We need to waste that much material on this side.
You waste a lot,
Yeah, that's smart.
probably almost half, or if not more.
This is just so cool to see someone grind and build their own
Actually, it'd be
camp.
more than half, right? Because you grind all of this off to make the lobe, and then the lobe would come down about here. And as far as that fat piece, this is the only thing you would have left is the high side of the lobe, because you'd ground all of that off and the sides. So yeah, you do it more than half of it.
It's gonna take him probably 3 or 4 hours to grind this down to a campsite. And we've done a lot of work for him already, because he doesn't have to take much off of here.
Right,
No.
because you've already offset it.
But if it was full size, he'd have to grind all this material off to there.
Yeah, all the way down to about that size. Yeah.
Like they tack welded all this on. It's just so cool.
Well, and he's probably gonna have to take a third to half of this off too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you
Because
see
that
what
lobe is
Kevin's
gonna
doing
be-
to the valves
gonna
right
be
there?
about like that.
Yeah, I saw that. And he's turning them right there on the lathe.
Show. Yeah.
So what, are you taking them down from the size they were just to the size that you need, or is there more to
Yeah,
it?
they start out at 2
Grab
2-inch 180.
That's a valve. Cut down.
Big valve.
That's
Oh, that
what
was
we're
NASCAR.
in.
That was
But
twice
that's already
as big.
turned the size. They start out.
Oh, they started getting bigger.
I don't know if I have any that I haven't had.
You've gone through all of them.
They're half again as big.
Yeah. That's inch 900. They start out at 180.
That's a big.
Well, we got two of these.
And these are, 1" by 50 now.
So they're using second-hand used valves out of NASCARs.
Gently used.
Gently used. No, just broken in.
So
Well,
if you look at the
costs us
package, the end of the
what
box, it
costs
says
us
how
what?
many miles are on it.
That's
Oh,
crazy.
no way.
These cost us what, $5, Kevin?
Well, they're $20 for 8. Whatever that is.
$3 a piece.
No, you're buying that for souvenirs.
And how much would it be if you had to buy it out?
160 a piece.
They're 60
160.
160 a piece.
160 a piece versus $3 a piece.
Yeah.
Well, we got a machine on them a little bit.
Yeah, but they've already been
Kevin can do that in a
preheat
sleeve.
cycle.
Yeah.
They've been tested.
Yeah, seasoned, exactly. Seasoned.
They've already gone 200 miles an hour.
They've been tested at 200 miles an hour.
Yeah.
So you know they're good, yeah.
Yeah,
They got some
Mark.
speed in them already.
Feel how dainty they are.
Yeah.
That stem, huh?
And see how light it is?
Yeah.
But I mean, you figure if it's moving that many RPMs, it can't be that
It's gotta
heavy.
be, yeah. Just starting to get some carbon on it.
Your marching on this project looks good.
Is that this box right here? I don't want to put this in the wrong place.
Yeah,
here.
mess them all up now,
Yeah,
man.
right?
Like,
Those are pretty.
Every day is a school day.
Okay.
I love this shop.
It smells good.
So that's it for now, folks, but we're working on another video, and we're going to have Kevin explain some more in-depth detail as to how and why he designed the head like this and the next steps in completing this project. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys soon. Thank you.